Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints. And ever since the Performance Series gallons came out, one question's been circulating quite a bit. Can you mix two different Performance Series colors together? Well, I have a funny feeling that you can, but there's only one way to find out. We've got our Evo 10 here. It's already got a gunmetal gray base down on it right now. We picked two different contrasting Performance Series colors, a yellow and a blue. We're going to mix them together, find out what happens. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we've picked our two Performance Series colors. We've got them right here. We've got the sulfur yellow and we've got the blue quartz. Now the sulfur yellow is actually the only yellow Performance Series color that we have. It's a nice bright bold yellow, nice metallics. And then we've got the blue quartz. Now we have a lot of different blue Performance Series colors, but we think this one will work the best. It's a bright blue, it's a medium tone, it's got a lot of pretty sweet metallics in it. And obviously the goal here is to put these two together and come out with a pretty awesome green. Now, will that happen? I'm not sure. There's only one way to check. We're going to dump them both into this bucket, start mixing them up right now. Whoa. So we made, I don't even know. Gabe thinks this is, what, an emerald?
Emerald seafoam?
An emerald or a seafoamish. I think it might be a little too dark for a seafoam.
Agreed.
But it's going on the car either way. All right, guys, we finished spraying the car and it came out better than we could have hoped for. We absolutely love the color. We're going to go outside in just a second so you can check it out. Now, I put a teaser picture of this car up last night on my Instagram, and based on the way you guys reacted to it, you guys love this color just as much as we do. And we did not get what we expected here. We thought, you know, you learn back in kindergarten, you mix blue, you mix yellow together, then you get that standard kind of grass green color, and that is not what we got here. Now, I think that we have one yellow Performance Series gallon, the sulfur yellow, and a bunch of different blue Performance Series gallons. I really feel like if you did this exact combination, 50-50, sulfur yellow with all the different Performance Series blues, each one of them would give you a completely unique result, because each Performance Series blue has different tints, different pigments, different metallics in it, and that's going to make a different end result each time. We may have to do some more experimentation down the road. Now, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to call this color yet, but if you decide that you want to do this color on your own vehicle, we made it super simple. Just click right up in this area and we put together car kits that include everything you need to get this job done. All you have to do is select the size of your vehicle and you're done. But you know the deal. If you need any help, email us customerservice@DipYourCar.com, or better yet, just call in during business hours. We love to talk to you guys about your projects or chat with us directly on the website. Now let's go outside and check out the car. It's Fonzie. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one.